Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will cover the subtypes of coupling which were not discussed in the previous lecture. However, I felt it is too theoretical, so I did not wish to delve too deeply into it, but I do have a resource here for you that you can read at your own leisure if you'd like to learn more about the subtypes of coupling. They are ordered from the tightest coupling or the strongest coupling to the weakest coupling. So these are the different subtypes of coupling, but they range from between tight and loose. So these are the two main types. In addition, I wanted to highlight subclass coupling, which occurs between a child class and a parent class. This is considered tight coupling. So inheritance or generalization enforces tight coupling because that child is dependent on its parent, since it extends the parent, but it is not fully dependent on perhaps yeah, I was going to phrase it in a particular manner, but now that I contemplate it, it is incorrect. So the child is dependent quite heavily or quite strongly on the parent, particularly since the child will inherit automatically the instance variables and the methods as well. But you can think of method overriding as a form of loose coupling, but other than that, it is the child is heavily connected to the parent, but the parent is not heavily connected to the child or is not even connected to the child at all. You can think of it as liberalism, where people fornicate without any consequences. That is basically it. And that is it for this lecture. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.